Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come and talk to you all and just kind of chit chat for a little bit and explain a couple of ideas that I have and kind of let you all know a little bit more about what this channel is really going to be. And I want you all to have as much information as possible so that you can get excited about some of the content that I've got coming out, and basically just to kind of get on a schedule and make sure we're all on the same page. You know when I'm uploading, you know what days I'm uploading, the content that will be uploaded on those days, and so forth. So if you don't mind, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get into this chit chat. All right, so over the weekend, I guess it's still the weekend. So over the weekend, I was chatting with my husband and we were talking about my channel and kind of what am I wanting to do with this? What is this gonna be? That whole type of thing. And I told you all early on that I want this channel to be a place where, you know, I go through all of the things that I love. So I want to talk about beauty. I want to talk about, you know, sports and family and things like that. So, you know, I know a lot of other channels, they have a very narrow focus. They've got a niche genre. They talk about one thing and one thing only. And I'm not knocking those things. That's just not what I want for my channel. So for my channel, I want to share with you all of the loves that I have. And granted, I have a lot of them, but I want to share all of those things with you. I feel like that's going to build a better connection with us so that you know more about myself, and hopefully you all will start being a little bit more interactive and want to connect and communicate more and start leaving more comments and, you know, questions and things like that, so that I can really start to tailor this channel to content that you all want to see. So with that, my husband and I kind of sat down and we brainstormed and we came up with a schedule, number one. And number two, we came up with some key content areas that we really want to focus on, or that, well, I keep saying we, but yes, this is a group effort as far as, you know, my husband, because I definitely couldn't do this without his support. And he is helping me with some tips and ideas and things like that. So I greatly appreciate that. Justin, if you're watching, thanks so much for all that you do. But one of the things I really want for this channel is to be consistent. And I want you all to know what days content is coming out and what topics will be focused on those days. So with that, we have come up with three things. Number one, we will be posting 3 days a week, and those posting days will be Mondays, Thursdays, and Sundays. And here's where it gets a little tricky, but you know, if you just keep checking on those days, you're always going to get a video. My hope is that on Mondays, that will solely be dedicated to beauty. And when I say beauty, I'm talking everything from beauty, hair care, tutorials, monthly favorites, roundups, shopping hauls, things of that nature. Anything beauty, hair, makeup, cosmetics, you know, anything like that related, those types of uploads will be done on Mondays. So the hope is to always post before 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sometimes maybe it'll be a little earlier, sometimes maybe a little later, but the goal is always by 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, there will be a new upload 3 days a week. On Thursdays, I am planning to do product reviews and lifestyle. So what that means by that are in the AM, so by 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be posting on Thursdays product reviews. And what those will be are any type of products that a company, a brand, any type of organization has sent to me in exchange for a honest, unbiased review. Those types of videos will come up on Thursday mornings by 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And also on Thursdays in the afternoon, my hope is by 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will upload a lifestyle video. And those will be the clean with me's, organization, purging, those types of things, my home type videos, anything that is lifestyle, exercise, fitness. Those types of videos will be in the evenings on Thursdays. And then the last thing that I am going to be incorporating, I'm sorry, I've got two more things. The other thing that I'm going to be incorporating on a consistent schedule is on Sundays. On Sundays, it will be all sports related. Therefore, on Saturdays and Sundays, well, Friday, Saturday, and Sundays, I can really kind of dive deep into my love for sports, especially all things UK sports. So, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out there. All the sports stuff that I upload, it will be UK sports related. So whether that be football, basketball, soccer, baseball, men's, women's, track and field, you name it, we're gonna talk about it all. And that will be showcased in my new segment called Cats Talk with the Big Blue Debutante. And that will be uploaded on Sundays. So just to recap, Mondays, beauty. Thursdays, AM will be product reviews, PM will be lifestyle, and then on Sundays, it will be all sports related videos. Now, the last area that I'm going to be taking a stab at is family. And those videos, I feel like there's just not a lot of content to capture on a consistent basis. So those videos I am going to be uploading once a month, and the target is to do that the last day of each month. And that will be all of the things like birthdays, holidays, celebrations, concerts and travel vlogs, things like that. Anything's kind of family, friends related, those will be uploaded once a month, and it will be the last day of each month. Now, the only time that there will be an exception to this upload schedule is during the month of December, and you all know why. And that is because I love to do Vlogmas. So in the month of December, you will get a vlog every single day. And some days you might even get two, because I'm going to try to stick to the schedule even through the month of December of uploading Monday, Thursday, and Sundays with the normal content. But I will also be uploading just my daily vlogs for Vlogmas during the entire month of December. So I hope this answers a lot of questions for you all, and I know that it's taken me a little while to figure this out. So you guys that have tuned in on all of my random uploading, I appreciate you all so much. Thanks for kind of bearing with me and for your patience and trying to figure this out. But y'all, it takes a village. I have been asking for input from everyone, and fortunately, my husband kind of sat down with me and we talked through all this, and he was like, I think this is a good schedule. I think this will work. These categories seem to kind of already flow with what you've been uploading. It just hasn't been on a consistent schedule. So this gives everyone something to look forward to. So if you don't like beauty videos and you like the sports and the lifestyle, then you know that you need to tune in on Thursdays and Sundays. Or if you only like the beauty stuff, then you may want to tune in on Mondays for sure. And then depending on if it's going to be a beauty product review or not, then you may want to check back on Thursday mornings. So that's kind of what's going on with me, you guys. I am so excited to get on a schedule and really be consistent. And obviously it's not going to be this week that I'm starting, because I'm actually going to upload this video tomorrow, which will be Monday. And this is to kind of tee off the week, let you all know what's happening, and then starting next Sunday, I will be on the schedule. So the next video will be a sports related video after this one on Sunday. So guys, I am really excited, and this has been a long time coming. I am so happy and pleased with where my channel is today and where it's going. I thank you all so very much. One other thing I want to mention before I go is you all, we are so close to 2,500 subscribers. I really would like to get to 2,500 subscribers before the end of this month. So by October 31st, so by Halloween, I need to have 2,500 subscribers. And I would love for you all to share all of my videos, share my channel link, whatever you want to do. Help me to spread the word about my channel. And I have a really, really fun giveaway that is coming up with that as soon as we hit that milestone. So help your girl out, share the channel, and really excited for everybody to come along on this journey with me. So guys, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna get out of here and go finish up some dinner or something. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and share it with a friend or two or three. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.